Money Moves with Myth 2.0, the podcast. And always remember, gentlemen, it's a motherfucking movie. So today we got yet another video of a modern woman getting evicted. And this simple eviction is going to turn to an arrest. So we're going to see what transpired. We're going to be reacting to it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And let's hop straight into the content.
I cannot wait 15. I'm going to be wearing the same shit.
He said,
I'm not resisting. I need my clothes.
That's silly as fuck.
Give me my clothes.
Stop.
You have the option to get in the car and leave now, or you have the option to go to jail.
I've been there before.
Okay.
Give me my stuff!
On May 31st, 2022, police in Florida responded to a disturbance involving a recently evicted woman.
So, the way it works is apparently they're not very fond of your attitude. So
I don't care because listen, I was real nice with them, and when they want to show evil, I'm gonna show evil back. You want to go low, I'm gonna go lower.
I think what you fail to realize is
No.
Guys, you want to know how ignorant that sounds and the reason why you need to know people's mindsets? Think about that, guys. If you get in a relationship with this woman and you know, she thinks you did something to her, she's going to go lower. She's going to stoop. Instead of her being the bigger person and ignore the situation, she's bluntly telling you that she's going to snoop straight to your level or even worse and cause even more issues. But let's keep it moving.
No, I don't have no hand, but it's my clothes, it's my stuff. I'm not going to wear the same dirty. I'm not going to wear the same underwear for 2 weeks. No.
So do you want to hear the solution or not?
If the solution...
Why do you need to wear the same underwear for 2 weeks? Like, even if you had no clothes and you've been evicted, Walmart, I'm pretty sure panties at Walmart is not that expensive. But let's keep it moving.
Gives me my clothes and my child
Today,
clothes
it's
and
not going to
everything.
get it today, now.
Then I'll be right here. I'm not going nowhere, officer.
So,
I'm real sorry.
I'm going to explain it to you whether you listen or not. It's on you. They're going with the way it works is after the eviction, they inventory the entire apartment.
They did that already.
Okay, they haven't done it. I just asked.
They just said that.
Okay, they have to do it. It goes to a lawyer, their lawyer. Their lawyer will then post it on the front door, and you have 15 days to do that. You can come back with us to get it at that time, but today you can't get it out of that
I cannot wait 15. I'm going to be wearing the same shit.
He said it should be a turnaround by Thursday or Friday. You'll be able to get in and get
Thursday and Friday, I'm supposed to wear the same thing until Thursday and Friday. I'm supposed to wear the same underwear.
Hey guys, us as men, we know that life isn't fair. You know, life and a lot of people let life, you know, win all the time. Like, you know, there's nothing she can do about this. Like, the officers are telling her there's nothing she can do about it. And the thing about it is, like we were saying, life isn't fair. You know, so you have to be prepared for obstacles like this.
They said they gave you a notice on Friday.
They gave me a note. Listen, if my phone wasn't dead, I will show you everything that I need to show you, officer. Literally, my phone is dead. I need my charger. I need all of that. I need my stuff.
And I get it. I asked. They just said no,
I'm not going nowhere. I am sorry to tell you that I'm not going nowhere.
What was your first name? I'm sorry.
Tennille. Yes.
Unfortunately,
I'm not going nowhere.
Trespassed. That being said,
trespass me because it's my clothes in there.
Right. But
throw my stuff out. If they will throw my shit out, I'll be fine to pick it up off the ground. No, okay. Let them do the inventory and throw my shit out. Well, I'll wait here till they done. I'm not leaving without my clothes. My daughter's shit is in there. All that. No, I'm not going.
I hate to be
You're not the bad here. This is not your apartment.
No, what I'm saying is I hate to be the bad guy here.
Okay, but I'm not going nowhere.
The crazy part about it, like with all these eviction videos, is why, if you know you're getting evicted, why would you wait until the last minute to grab your things, you know? Usually people know that they're probably going through an eviction or something's going to happen like that. Or so they're going to take all the valuables, start taking things out of the apartment and stuff. No, but this chick didn't do that. She you know, and this just goes to show like a lot of people do not have situational awareness. But let's keep it moving.
My only obligation is to they
I'm
don't
not
want
going
you
nowhere.
here. So
I don't care. It's my stuff.
Jail.
I will go to jail. I need my clothes. I need my daughter clothes. I need all that. I don't know. I need my stuff. I don't care. No. When am I going to get it?
I don't know the exact
You don't
date,
even know.
Hey,
No, I'm not going to wear the
can
same
I try and talk to you
thing.
real quick? Hey, will you give me 30 seconds uninterrupted? 30
Are
seconds.
you-
That's all I ask for.
Go ahead.
Okay. They have to inventory it from a legal standpoint, okay? If they don't, they can be held liable. So they inventory it, it goes up to a lawyer. The lawyer then looks over your inventory of everything that's in your house. It comes back that they can release it to you, and they said that turnaround is normally 2 to 3 days. I said, so what, Thursday, Friday, it'll be open for her to get her stuff? They said yes. I said, come Thursday or Friday, you can come back here with an officer and get
what... They can't throw not even a
they said, hey,
outfit out for me to...
they said based on the way you're behaving, they don't want to let you in
Because
today.
I've been real nice. Listen, I've been nice with these people, and the fact that no, I'm not. Because for one, I act.
Like a lot of modern American black women, like they think that they're coming across nice and stuff like that, but you can tell just by this video, like how a lot of times they're basically going off emotions. Like when their emotions take over, logic is just out of the door. There's no logic there. You know, and this is the main reason why a lot of modern American black men, the guys who do have sense, will not mess with a chick like this, will not get in a relationship with a chick like this, because he already done tested and tried her, you know, and usually, you know, this is not good. Drama and arguing and being emotional, and your emotions, when you lead with emotions, your logic goes out the window. It's not a good look, bro. And nobody wants a chick like this by their side. But let's keep it moving.
Could I get my stuff out? And they said no.
Hey,
that's when I said, okay,
y'all you got a kid at home?
I'm gonna be like that, because for one, don't nobody buy my clothes, don't nobody buy my food, don't nobody do none of that.
Nobody's saying that.
Okay.
Who cares? Who cares? Nobody buy. You're an adult. Nobody, like, why are you even going there? But let's keep it moving.
Okay, so let me be obligated to get my stuff. That is their apartment. Okay, let me get my shit out so I can leave. I know. Tennille, nothing.
Tennille, you have a kid, right? Is it?
Y'all took her.
Is
what
it,
you mean? Y'all took her.
Is all this shit worth going to jail over?
What the fuck? Yes, it is, because guess what? I don't have shit to fucking live for. I don't have shit. Let me get my stuff.
All right, well, we can't.
No.
So I guess her daughter's been taken, so she's extra emotional. You know, guys, like, you do not need a woman who cannot handle her emotions in situations, you know, because it's not gonna work. It's not gonna help, and the only thing that she's doing is making her situation worse. And this is crazy. She's saying all type of stuff to the cops, and she's gonna end up going to jail.
No, I'm not leaving. I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm not leaving. Let me get my stuff. Let me get my daughter clothes.
Please do the right thing.
No, and you're not finna touch me either, because guess what?
Hey.
What?
Tennille, stop.
No.
Stop. Tennille, stop. Tennille, don't resist.
I'm not resisting. I need my clothes.
That's silly as fuck.
Give me my clothes.
Stop.
You can't right now.
Give me my clothes.
We cannot.
Give me my
You
clothes.
just choose to leave.
Can I get my
You
clothes?
cannot.
They do not want to arrest this lady. They just want her to leave and listen to instructions. Come back Thursday or Friday.
I have nothing to wear. Let go of me.
We're 10-4.
I have nothing to wear. Let go of me.
Yeah, I did.
Hey. Are you
We're
gonna
trying to
go?
work with you, but
No, I don't have shit to wear. Give me my clothes. Fuck. Give me my fucking clothes. Damn. Give me my stuff.
We cannot.
Yes, you can.
And it's crazy that a lot of modern American black women think they can just act like this. And they're not supposed to go to jail for acting like this. They can scream anywhere they want to if they get emotional and stuff. And us, we the people and we the public, we're tired of the buffoonery. Yes, a modern American black man, we're tired of this. But let's keep it moving.
This is my stuff. Yes, you can.
We legally can't
Give me
go
my
in
stuff.
there.
My daughter shit is in there. All that. Give me my stuff.
Do you don't make us
They
take
should
you
have
to
been.
jail
I
on
believe
this
they
stuff.
could have been nice enough to be like, okay, when I asked real nicely, they could have said, yeah, this is what you want to see. Well, this is what you're gonna get.
This is the attitude that
I don't
made
care.
it so you
I don't
can't
care.
go in there.
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
I have real animosity built up. Yes.
Are you gonna leave the
No,
property?
no.
Okay.
I need my clothes.
Yeah, well, you're not
I don't
getting your
have
clothes
shit to
today.
wear. I'm not
Hey,
finna wear the
I'm
same
really
clothes
trying
until
to do this
Thursday.
thing, but please leave.
Are you gonna give me some clothes until Thursday?
I don't
Are
have means
you
to do
finna
that.
give me some clothes till
I
Thursday?
don't think my clothes.
Oh, the jail's gonna
Okay.
give you some.
So what I can give you
therefore,
is opportunity to leave and regroup.
I need my clothes.
Thursday or Friday.
So what am I supposed to wear? When I have my food in there, all of that shit. What the hell?
I can't answer that
No,
for you, but
okay,
it
so
ain't
what are you
worth going
supposed
to
to do?
jail
What are you?
over.
Yes, it's because it's my stuff.
And you're gonna get it Thursday or Friday.
Thursday, so I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to be starving and have the same shit on,
So you're gonna go
especially
sit.
the same underwear on.
So you're gonna go
until
sit in jail
Thursday.
and have to spend money to bail out and waste that money when you could go use it to buy
Use
clothes
it
and
to what?
groceries.
Use it what you mean. You let me get my clothes and I'll be like, I'll.
The fact is, she's not gonna bail out because she's broke. She's just gonna sit in jail unless the judge lets her out on a free bond.
Love to leave.
We literally
I would
cannot.
love
don't
to.
have the
Well, when they
ability
do
to
the
do that.
inventory, I'll leave and get my
That's
clothes.
not
That's
our
in a few
option.
days.
Well, I'll be standing right here for a few days.
It's literally not our option.
I'll be right here.
Camille, please leave.
I
Please take this
need
opportunity
my
to leave.
clothes.
Like, we hate to be the bad guy, but
You don't have
just
to
tying
be.
our hands.
You don't have
We
to.
do have to.
No, you
We have an
don't.
obligation.
Well, and I'm
everybody.
obligated to get my stuff. It's my
Right,
clothes.
just
I
not
bought
today.
those things. So I'm not gonna
They're not
wait
keeping
Wednesday,
it from you,
Thursday,
though.
Friday. I have nothing to wear. I don't care about going into that crib, but I have somewhere else to go and I need to get my shit
So
to
can
go.
you go there for now?
No, because I have nothing to go to. What you mean? This charger right here don't even work.
I feel sorry for her boyfriend. Like, this chick is super emotional, and she's not going off no logic at all. She's about to go to jail.
My phone is dead. All of that's inside. Literally. I need my stuff, man. You guys don't understand. You're not
I get
understanding.
it. We just have no.
Okay, can you go in there and get my stuff? Go in there and get my charger. Go in there and get my charger and my stuff. Okay? Go do that. If you can do that, go do that. And bring it right here. Bring it right
What
here.
I'm saying is we don't have the
Well,
authority
I
to
don't care what you're talking about. I'm sorry. I don't
You want to
care.
give the official notice? Look, this is us last time telling you. Trespass from the property in the event that you don't leave, you're
I'm
going
not
to jail.
trespassing because my stuff is still in there.
That doesn't
That doesn't
make
work.
it. That doesn't
We've
mean
been
you're
trying
not
to be nice,
trespassing.
but literally,
I've been
this
trying
is,
to be
this
nice
is the
too.
last time I'm going to tell you.
Okay, that's fine.
You either have the option to get in the car and leave now, or you have the option to go to jail.
I've been there before.
Okay.
She think they playing with her. This lady really think the police playing with her. And now look, now she's going to jail. She's going to jail because she's out of control, super emotional, you know, tripping. And like I said, I feel bad for whatever dude decides to deal with this. You know, because if she's not going to listen to officers, just imagine a boyfriend or something like that. Like, imagine hearing that nagging and her want to get on your level and stuff. This is crazy. But guys, now you see, we're not even going to play the rest of the video. You see what's going on. Now she's done. Oh, let's just hear her out real fast. One more time. There it is.
Hey, stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Y'all
You're
touching
touching
me.
More charges.
For what?
For resisting.
I'm not resisting. Let go. I am not resisting. Let go. Let go.
Oh, she thinks the cops are just gonna let go. Yeah, I'm done with this video, man. This is crazy. This is madness. And man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And I'll let you guys on the next video.